Balay-balay noon! Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan! May I hear once again the screams, Balay-balay noon! Hinay ra, hinay. Dili pa gid siya kuan. Once again, Balay-balay noon! Nice, kanan. Welcome to tonight's spectacular event. Alayon sa pagsaulog sa atong ika-26 nga tuig isip syudad ang syudad sa Balay-balay. We are gathered here tonight ubos sa maayong panahon nga gigahin sa ato ang Ginoo para to witness the brilliance and beauty of tonight's fireworks competition. And aside from that, we also have local bands performing here on stage live later tonight. And Mayonnaise! Dili kayo excited? Once again, Mayonnaise! Alright, that's it. But before tayo magsulod no, sa ato ang competition proper and to embark on this mesmerizing journey of lights and colors, let's first express our heartfelt gratitude to our gracious sponsors, for without them, this magnificent event would not be possible. Of course, this is an initiative of the City Government of Balay-balay, ubos sa paragamhanan sa atong halangdong mayor, Honorable J. Warren R. Pabilyaran, ato sa pagpaan. Ladies and gentlemen, and kauban ang suporta sa atong membro sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, headed by, of course, the City Vice Mayor Estelito R. Marabe. Pagpaka nato, ladies and gentlemen, we have Councilors Nico Aldiguer, Brian Flores, Melchor Maramara, Councilor Dindo Dinlayan, Kirio Dinlayan, Kathleen Cecile Pagaling, Councilor Winky Damasco, Royland Orquia, Tope Soria, Manoy Legaspi, Julius Manjano, Renato Sumbungan, ug our Councilor Christopher Lambert Portola. Inubanan usab sa atong nagkalain-lain ng mga department head. Of course, highlighted by our City Administrator, Attorney Ana Maria Arborgado, ug sa atong Executive Assistant to the City Mayor, Mr. Arnel Alayanyo. Right, to express his heartfelt gratitude atong tawagan diri sa stage, atong halangdong mayor, walay lain. Everyone, round of applause please for City Mayor, Honorable J. Warren.